Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, this is week 52. Wow, I've done it. We've done it. We've made it a whole year. And I did every single one except for the ones I just didn't want to do. Okay, so it's not because I skipped it. It's because I chose not to do it. So anyway, I'm proud of myself. So let's get busy. I thought since this was the last one, we could do it together. And I am going to take this fossilized amber and do the background. And then just kind of go like this. And blend it out spotty, and then I'm going to spray it. Now, week 52, we have to have something you can hang, a color that reminds you of winter, a repeating pattern, something placed sideways, paint or watercolor, and the bonus is something sticky. So we're going to paint this with this ink. And since it's a little distressed ink, I'm going to say it classifies. The edges. Okay, and then we're going to take it, take our towel, and then take our spritzer, and spritz it with the water. And then rub it. There we go. Pick it up. And then I want to take a little of the wild honey. And a brush. And then I'm going to take the edge. There we go. All right. And then put things back where they belong, or they will be left out. All right, now on that, I want to take my something sideways and put down here, and that's my music paper. And I'm going to put it sideways. And get it put down. Okay, I'm my repeating pattern, and something you hang is this wallpaper. And this is out of the Morris wallpaper. Put that right up there in the corner. Whew. Then we have something that reminds me of winter, and that is this heart that has my purples and pinks, and then also that amber color is our winter sunsets. What the winter sunsets look like in the sky when the sun is setting. It has all these colors mixed in it. I'll put that there. And then something you can hang, and something sticky, is my woman, because she's so pretty. You could hang her picture up on the wall. And the flowers, some of those she has in there, have little stickies on the stems. So that's going to be as close as my stickiness as it's going to get. I'll put her. Oh, she just pretty. All right. And there we have our week 52. And because it is the absolutely last week, last collage of 2024, well, I'm going to take it and put it right here in a place of enter. I'm not even going to loop it down. We're going to glue that bad boy down. And take our watercolor pencil and just go right around it. And then we're going to take some water. And smudge and activate that for our watercolor. And there we go. That is our week 52 for our Margarete Miller weekly collage. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We've done it. Yay! All right, now let's take a gander go. See what. This is our book that we did, and it's fared pretty well. I tried to glue that back down. I need to glue that down. Blessed Jesus, look at her. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to use for next year. I still have not figured that out. I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe just taking a book and putting a book together. We'll have to see. I don't know. Maybe we can make that for our first 52 week, our first day next year. I do know she's doing a volume 5. I haven't checked her website today, but it is supposed to be out at the end of December, so we'll We do, or we are going to have one. So we're still doing it. All right, here we go. We're just going to flip through. And I'm going to take these out because these are ones I added. And we can take this off. And I'll put the volume 4 on the inside of the cover here, because that's what this one is. And this is where we started at the very end, where I started collaging, period. So I started the Margarete Miller at the very end of 2023. And we've seen these before. Some of these got awful ugly ones, but I have improved so much. And I have found my style and the way I like to do them. Oops, my camera had frozen. Week 21, I said, Week 29. Week 32. That's a cute one. Week 33. This is kind of where I'm finding my style. Week 34. Week 36. Week 40. 41. Alright, that is our whole year in the collage. She a big chunky girl. Okay, thank you so much for viewing my stuff for the year, and for being my subscribers and supporting me this year and growing with me this year and watching me improve as I went along. I appreciate and love you so much. I love all of my chickadees. Thank you. Bye.